Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use our Creative Sky overlays in Photoshop. I'm using Adobe CS6, however this will work in all versions of Photoshop. The first thing you want to do is open up your photo that you want to switch your sky from. Then we're going to go to File and Place, and we're going to find our overlay that we want to add on and click on Place. Now as you can see, my sky overlay is much smaller than my image. This is because this is a vertical image, and because of the size of the image, this is how it popped up. It may be different if you have a horizontal image, or depending on your image size, what it will do. So the first thing you want to do is stretch this out to cover up the sky that you currently have on your photo. So click on your Shift button. This will avoid distortion, and grab a corner and drag it. You can do the same from this corner, and just drag it to cover all of the sky that you have on your image right now. You can move this around if you like certain parts of the image better than others that you want to make sure that they're in your photo. And then you can click on Enter or this check mark here, and that will place the sky. Now the next thing I want to do is go to your blend modes here, and if you don't see this, you can go up to Windows and click on Layers, and that will bring up your Layers panel. And so I'm going to change the blend mode here to Multiply. Now because I already had a blue sky, this makes it look kind of weird, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this background image, and I'm going to do that by clicking Command J. I'm on a Mac. If you're on a PC, it's Control J. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint over this blue here to be this white color. And so I'm going to go here and grab that color and click on OK. I'm going to grab my brush tool. I'm going to do it soft to 0. And I'm going to make this pretty big. And I'm just going to paint over that blue real quick. This will prevent the color from popping. And I'm just going to erase it off of her right here. Okay, then I'm going to bring up my sky overlay again. And now you can see that that blue tint is gone. So next what you want to do is click on your overlay and click on this button here to create a layer mask. Then we want to go and grab a black brush. We want it to be soft, and I'm going to make this smaller this time. And what you do is you just start painting off where you don't want the sky to be. I try to be pretty precise when I do this, but sometimes it'll go over. And let's say you went over that way, you can go over and change it back to a white brush and just paint that back on. And then go back to your black brush and you can just continue to paint it off. Take it off my trees, take it off the subject here. And it's okay that I'm going outside of her here because we can always add it back in. Make this small. I'm going to make it a little bit harder when I add it back in. We want to make this look as real as possible. We don't want it to look like it's been photoshopped in. You can also zoom in and really fine-tune this, but for video's sake, I'm going to just do this pretty quickly. Really small in here. Grab that part in her arm. And that's all you have to do. Here you can see, I'm going to merge these two layers so you can see my before and after. There's my before, and there's my after. And then all you have to do is go up to File and Save As, and save your image as a new image.